Hello, everyone. So I've been learning React, and this is my official first full React project. It's actually one of the projects with the Odin project. It's called the CV application. It's basically a resume generator. So I have some info on the side. I'll just copy and paste for the sake of time. And it's not styled yet whatsoever. So I know it looks horrendous, but my goal is to take like a crash course in style components probably tomorrow, and then I'll have a field day tomorrow styling it. But at least I know the functionality of it is like 95% done. It's a few things I want to switch around. But yeah, I have, you can just hit the next button and keep adding entries. I really did go to ODU, by the way, so that information is real. So I added like conditions. I use conditional rendering. If you hit still attending, it gets rid of the date ended box because there is no ending date because you're still attending. And if you unselect it, it brings it back. So I'll just unselect it so you'll see it. And then you can add an entry if you want to, and then delete that same entry. So I just copy the same information so you can see the difference in the output. And then did you graduate? If you hit yes, it two drop downs come up where you can put your degree, bachelor's, master's, certificate, or doctorate, and then the designation, either Bachelor of Arts of Science. So mine was Bachelor of Science. Hit next. Same thing goes for experience. There's another toggle if you put still employed. The date ended goes away. So I'll put still employed for this. And then I'll copy some good old Lauren Ipsum for the duties. And I'll just go ahead and do another one. Same thing. Delete entry. Here, while I'm at it, I'll just paste that. And then I'll keep still employed unchecked just so you can see the difference in the output. And you can go back, by the way. I have so that the form doesn't submit until the end. So you can go all the way to the back to the, yeah, if you messed up something, and just keep flipping through. I try to keep it realistic. Like when I apply for a job, how does their system work? And you can keep adding skills and then delete them. If you delete the last one though, no skills added, press add entry to add a skill. I have it so that you can bring it back. Put HTML, CSS, and I'll hit delete entry. So CSS is in the middle. As you can see, CSS is gone now. So I'll put it back, add React, and then hit generate CV. And there you go. So if you checked the still employed, instead of the date, it says present. And I think I forgot to put the output right here. This is supposed to have the date, the starting date and the end date. So that's a bug. As far as education, same thing, still attending, it says present. And then if you selected that you did graduate, here's the level of your degree and then the distinction, and then graduated, and then the end date, the graduated date, and then here are your skills. So that reminds me, you gotta check and see why that date didn't show up. I think I probably just left something out in the conditional, but yep. So that's it. So if you actually want to go back and edit something, just go back. And I think I'm going to add though is each section, like add a button or something so that when you click on it, it'll take you right back to that